Hey guys, so it's your boy Yashvia Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, please like the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, ring that bell notification so that whenever I drop a brand new video, it's you who's gonna get notified. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, today in this video, in this guide, I'm gonna show you exactly how you're gonna send your cryptocurrency, how you're gonna exchange your cryptocurrency to PayPal. Okay, you can be in PayPal Euro or PayPal USD or any currency. I'll be recommending this website. Why you have to use this website, so don't worry, I'll leave a link down below in the video description. High exchange, so make sure that you click with my link so that we both can earn a commission. Okay, so yeah, and why is this website, guys? So basically, let's say you're opening for this website. If it's in Russia, make sure that you click right here and you swap it to English. Okay, you can see I'm gonna go to my Binance right now. As you can see, I have 600 right here. So now when you do on this page, so as you can see, I'm gonna preview that in a second. You can see I have Litecoin. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna choose Litecoin, and here I'll be receiving PayPal USD. Okay, and right here I'm just gonna enter this amount, which is this one, 9.4539. okay, 9.4539, and then 24, let's see, 24.74. okay, so I'll be getting this. Okay, so there's one way to do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the Litecoin, and then I'm gonna click on take out. Okay, withdraw. And then right here, I'm not gonna paste anything, I'm just gonna check. Okay, I'm gonna click the max button right here. So this is how much I can withdraw, and I'll be receiving this amount right here, 616.99 USD will be sent to high exchange. Okay, so as you can see, network fee 0.0 Litecoin, and I'll be receiving PayPal 635 USD. But guys, you have to be aware that they will send the amount. Okay, they will send the amount as goods and services. Okay, so if your PayPal account is in good standard, I mean, if your PayPal account hasn't been blocked or anyway, you are able to log in and you haven't been locked out or whatever, limited. So yeah, they will send as goods and services, and you have to be aware that PayPal has a new policy. PayPal's new policy that they're gonna cut 4% to 6% of the original amount. Okay, so I'll click next, and yeah, I'm gonna show you full step by step. This tutorial is gonna be full step by step. Okay, here you're gonna write the destination of the PayPal account, and right here, if you have any notes or comment, so you're gonna enter it. Okay, and then all you have to do is click next. Then right here, guys, make sure that you accept this, click confirm, and simply hit the confirm button. Okay, and you will be getting a thing right here. You'll be redirected to this page where you'll be able to see a QR code, and this is their secure Litecoin address. So if you can copy it, and if you have, but since I'm on Binance, okay, I'm gonna pay right now, so I'll be doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna scan this QR code. So make sure that the address, this address matches on right here. Make sure the address right here, you can cross check. So I'm gonna click withdraw, and then I'm gonna click confirm. Okay, and I'll be verifying using my passkey, whatever. Okay, withdrawal in processing. Okay, with withdrawal processing. All right, so within minutes, within like 10 to maybe, I don't know, Litecoin is supposed to be faster than, I think it is faster than Bitcoin. Okay, so you can always check by going into your what is it, go into your deposits, and underneath your history right here, go to your deposits and withdraw, and you should be able to see this, the latest withdrawal right here. So it is processing right now, you can see. All right, so right now the payment is pending. All right, hey guys, so yeah, this is me, Yashvia Gaming, once again. And as you can see right here, I got an email right here, high exchange order updated, and you can see right here it says your order is complete. Okay, review them, exchange, let's see, track order, and boom guys, as you can see, unpaid, pending processing, and done right here. So I have sent 9.45 Litecoin, that is equal to 636 PayPal USD dollars. Okay guys, as you can see, the current date, okay, date and time, as you can see right here, payment received from Great Spiritual whatever, 636.35 USD.